In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a video by email directly from Wistia. If you want to send a video quickly without downloading it or copying links into a separate email, Wistia makes that process very simple. You can handle everything right from the video page, which is especially useful when you want to share content efficiently with a client, teammate, or anyone else who needs access. To begin, open the video you want to share. Make sure you're on the correct video before moving forward, since the next steps will send that specific video directly from the platform. Once the video is open, look for the share option. This is where Wistia gives you different ways to distribute the video, and for this task, you'll want to choose the email option. After you click share, select email. This opens the built-in email sharing tool so you can send the video without leaving Wistia. In the recipient field, enter the email address of the person you want to send the video to. Take a moment to double check the address for accuracy, because even a small typo could send the message to the wrong person or prevent it from being delivered. Next, add a short message. Keep it clear and concise so the recipient immediately understands why they're receiving the video. A simple note that gives a little context is usually enough. This can be helpful if you're sharing a review video, a presentation, or any content that the viewer should watch with a specific purpose in mind. Once the recipient email and your message are in place, review everything one more time. Confirm that you selected the right video, that the email address is correct, and that your message says exactly what you want it to say. This quick check helps avoid mistakes and makes your communication more polished. When you're ready, send the email directly from Wistia. The platform will handle the delivery, allowing you to share the video in just a few clicks. This is a convenient option when you want a smooth, professional way to send video content without switching between tools. And that's it. Open the video, click share, choose email, enter the recipient's email address along with a short message, and send it directly from Wistia. It's a fast and straightforward way